Hey friends, let's jump straight into this awesome song, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts, so let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on an A power chord, palm mute the open A string, then we're going to an E over A. So open A, second fret on the D, first on the G, palm mute the open A again, and then an A power chord, 3 palm mutes on the open A, 2, 3, the A power chord, 2 palm mutes, and we're doing that 2 times. Then go to a D power chord, palm mute the open A, then we're going to the open D string, second fret on the G, second fret on the B, palm mute the open A, back to the D power chord, 3 palm mutes on the open A, the D power chord, 2 palm mutes on the open A, then we're going to a B power chord, play it once, palm mute second fret on the A, and then play the second fret A, D and G, palm mute second fret A and back to the B. Then we're just doing a slide and we repeat that all again. To the D, to the B. And no slide there, and that's our intro. So for our verse, we're just playing this A sus2 chord, open A string, second fret D, then play the second fret D, G, open B, then repeat that again, and add the open E string. Then we're going to play second fret on the E, open A, 4D, 4G, open B. So do that again. Play the open E, and we do that 2 times, and we just have a slide, A power chord to a D power chord, another slide, A power chord to the D power chord, then palm mute open A string, second fret on the A string, back to the D power chord, again A power chord, D power chord, slide, and then we have the E power chord. We do it 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's our verse there. So for our chorus, similar to our intro, we have the A power chord, palm mute open A string, our E over A, palm mute the open A string, our A, then play the A power chord, palm mute open A, then we're going to play the A sus2 just down to the B string and including, and then play all the strings except the open E string at the top, staying on that A sus2. Go to the D power chord, palm mute open A, our open D, second fret, G and B, palm mute open A, back to the D, 2 palm mutes on the open A, play the second fret on the A, and then play 4, D, G, open B, open E, and then just the 4th fret on the G. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and it stays exactly the same. Then back to the chorus. Now the only change here is we play it through 2 times. Now let me just talk you through the solo rhythm because it's nearly the same as our intro, and we'll do our solo at the end. So all the start stays the same. To the D, to the B. Repeat the A again. Again. To the D. Now we're going to change here, we're going to do E, 2 palm mutes on the open E to A, 2 palm mutes on the open E, back to E, 2 palm mutes open E, and then play 2nd fret on the E and the A, 4 on the D, 2 palm mutes on the open E, and play a D power chord 2 times. So that last little part, and that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Now our next part is just holding power chords, so I'll just talk you through that. We have an A power chord, hold for 4 bars. Go to an F sharp power chord, hold that for 4 bars. We have a pick slide, back to the A for 4 bars. Back to the F sharp, this time 2 bars, and then to the D. From there we go back to the chorus, and we play it through 2 times exactly the same, and then our outro we're just starting with a slide and go back to our intro riff again. 2 times to our D riff. Now it's going to change here a little bit. We have the B riff, palm mute, 2nd fret, A, D and G, palm mute, 2nd fret, back to the B, 3 palm mutes, 2nd fret, to the B again, 2 palm mutes, so it's the same as the other riffs there. Then we're just repeating the A riff again. 2 times, to the D riff. And now to finish off, we're going to do the B riff again, but this time we're going to play B, palm mute, B, palm mute, B, palm mute, and then go to 4 on the A string, 7 on the D and the G, palm mute to 4, go up to a D power chord, come up to an E power chord, and just finish on the A power chord. So let me do that last part for you. And we have a little solo playing at the end there as well, so let's take a look at that. So pretty easy, D 11th fret, palm mute, G 11th fret, back to the D 11th fret, then we bend the 9th fret on G and play 11 G. And we repeat that through the outro. And they're all the main parts. Now let's do the solo. So start with a mute, and then we're playing 12 on the G and the B, slide up to 14. Play it 2 more times on the 14, and we do that 3 times without the mute, the 2nd and 3rd time. So mute, then jump to 16D, 16A, 14D to 16, and then we repeat that first riff again 3 times with the mute. Back to 16D, 16A, 14D, 16D. Then you're going to play 14 on the G, 15 on the B, pull off to 14, back to 14 on the Gs. Then go 17, pull off to 14 on the B, and play the 14 on the G 2 times. Then go 19 on the B, pull off to 14, back to 14 G 2 times. 17, pull off to 14 on the B, G 14 2 times. 15, pull off to 14 on the B, G 14 2 times. Then just go 17, pull off to 14, 19, pull off to 14 on the B, and then on the G, 16, pull off to 14. So we have. Then we're going back to our first lick again with our mute. Our 16, 16, 14, 16, so it stays the same, and again mute. 16, 16, 14, 16, our lick again. Now this time go D, 16, 14, 16, jump to the G, do 14, hammer onto 16, pull off to 14, bend 17E, play 17E, 14, B 17, back to E 14, B 17, 14, G 16 bend, jump to E 14, B 17, pull off to 14, bend and release on 16 on the G and pull off to 14, 16 on the D, back to 14 on the G, then just play the open A and D string, and then we have 9, D and G, and we're going to mute 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then do 9 on the G, 10 on the B, 3 mutes, back to the 9, D and G, 3 mutes, then go 12 D, 11 G, 3 mutes, back to 9 on the D and the G, no mutes here, 9 on the G, 10 on the B, and finish on an A power chord. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Wild in the Streets guitar lesson by Bon Jovi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.